It's a wonderful, beautiful day here in Colorado. Winter is starting to roll in, and I predict that we are going to have our first frost within the next 4 to 6 weeks. But I'm not a weather forecaster, no. I'm a concrete enthusiast, an expert, if you will, and I have an awesome question to answer for you today. This question is from David, DEYC3. Thank you, David, yet again. And I've got a roundabout way of answering this question, but let's go ahead and ask it. Ding! The way you explained it makes it sound like ASR requires crystalline silica to occur. But we know that amorphous silica is susceptible as well. For instance, glass fiber, recycled glass aggregates have to be either treated or compensated for in the mix design. David, you are correct. And what I had said during this video, the impact of colloidal silica hydrogels on ASR, it's not that we need this silicone tetrahedron to form the alkali silica gel. It's just more often that we're working with aggregates, that's what we see. You know, normally when I get an ASTM C33 fine aggregate, like a washed concrete sand, riverbed concrete sand, I don't have to worry about, you know, rounded or fractured glass aggregate in it. Perlite or a soda lime borosilicate, it's going to be some type of metamorphic, sedimentary, igneous, you know, some type of rock. And normally the type of silica that we're concerned about when it comes to rock is that tetrahedral or crystalline form. Now that being said, you're right. You can get that ASR gel to thrive and survive with amorphous silica that we get from glass. That being said, we get a whole bunch of gels that occur. The important thing is the gels that cause a nasty, deleterious, expansive behavior. We've got to control those gels, like you said, by either pre-treating the aggregate or compensating it for it in the mix design. So, thanks for pointing that out. That was awesome. Loved answering that question. Hopefully you got something out of it. Let me know if you got any other concrete questions, concrete concerns. Go concrete!